Okay, leave. I will try.
You will not try it.
Cola, I know.
It's cola. Look.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
Hello, everyone.
And they make it nicely.
Today, our concept.
Hello guys, good morning. And for today's video, we are going to open this. What is this? Blender, because Yamor is requesting to make a banana smoothie, but
my mom said to use this.
yes, so
And I think we have to build it or something. I don't know.
warranty certificate. Okay, this is a G-Pass 10-in-1 food processor.
We'll try to get it out. Removing all the plastic.
So we will make Yamor first banana smoothie. Here we go, banana smoothie out. So we have already the frozen banana.
And I think
Frozen banana, we will put some. So you don't need to put ice. So it will be cold. Cup of milk.
after this,
Ice cream. How many scoops you want? Okay. Here we go.
my mommy will use this.
2 scoops of vanilla ice cream.
Okay, and I open it for you already.
And
And more milk.
we will do the dates. My favorite dates.
Yes,
I'm going to remove the seeds.
Yes, because we don't want smoothie with seeds.
Milk.
More milk. Turn it on.
Okay. Do you want to?
The smoothie also. Right, Diner?
One eternity later.
Yeah, see, how are you? You have a lot of car and... Baba,
Yeah.
do you want to drink something?
Whoa.
You want cola? What?
No. What's this?
Ito na yung pagkakataon natin, guys. Parang natin ulit si Mama. Nalain ko lang. So, ngayon, maghahanap tayo ng inumin. Maghahanap tayo ng inumin dito. So, ngayon, guys, maghahanap ako ng inumin ni Baba. Tapos, kaso lang, wala kayong cola in can. So, ito. Papainom. Baba, this one you want? Cola. I will take little. Half for you, half for me. You want to drink in the glass or in the bottle?
What are you doing again?
You want to drink in the glass?
I don't want cola.
No! You say that one! For you half, for me half.
Then why you are making video? I think you put something somewhere.
No! I don't do. It's for my video only.
For what?
Because I make video in the
Why you never
afternoon.
drink cola before, and why you making video when you're drinking cola?
Try it.
Mm.
What? I just put a straw.
There's something inside. Look. Bubble.
No!
Why bubble is there?
Drink it!
No, I don't want. I want. You drink that. What's the problem?
That's my cola. That's my cola.
Are you drink that?
Drink it!
No, I don't want. You drink.
Try it only.
No.
Try it! Sige na!
What you want? What you put it inside? You will
Try
not
it!
work
Don't
well.
try it!
Yeah.
Please!
Leave it, okay, I will try. Leave.
Try it first. Don't touch. It's not allowed to touch. Try it.
Okay, leave, I will try. Give me.
You will not try it.
Oh,
Drink
wow.
it. Drink.
Give me, I will. There's something.
There is nothing. There is nothing.
What is this bubble?
I shake it. That's why.
And then why you don't want to give me? Give it to me.
Hold it. Then drink it. No, I know you will not drink it.
I will.
Okay, just drink it. Hold it. Adim, zip only little. Okay, zip. Yasi, Papa doesn't want to sip it. Say sip it. Sip it. Don't touch it.
Why? Why you closing the pipe?
Because I know you will not drink it.
If you know why you giving me that. This is not collide.
It's cola. Look, cola. It's cola.
This one is 50 ml. This one 50 ml also.
Yes.
This one glass is 50
Daray.
ml.
Daray. Sige na.
500 ml, sorry. 50
Okay.
ml I'm saying. What's the...
Try na.
Yes,
Try.
500, you see?
500 ml. Try na.
It's coffee.
Try it.
It's coffee.
No, it's not coffee.
Wallah, coffee. Give me, okay, I will try. Give me. Leave it. Ooh.
What's happened to Baba? Yummy?
Ooh.
Hindi ko pala naitago yung toyo.
That one you give, right? I know, it was this.
No, this is a prank.
What kind of prank is this? I know that one. What you are talking about? By force you are letting me drink. Prank cannot be like this.
Hindi talaga tayo marunong mag-prank, guys. Alam niya. Ang hirap namang i-prank tong kasama ko. Yasi, come. Bago yung ilaw namin kaya may maliwanag pala. Maganda pala pag maliwanag. Yasi, hey!
It's impossible. This glass is 500 ml. Look, full. How it's gonna be
Why
more?
is your blood? Ah?
This is 500 ml.
So?
So this is also 500. How it's gonna be more like this much? For sure you add something else.
Oh, yes. Wow! Yasi has a lot of cars.
No, only front glass.
Wow!
Only front glass.
What is the taste, Baba?
I don't like what is it?
Ay, parang Baba pa siya. So, ayun guys.
I don't drink it. When I keep in my mouth, I leave it out.
Hindi daw,
I feel the taste already.
hindi daw niya ininom. Nilasahan niya. Matalino tong isa. Parang, you are looking at me in the
Wallah, I don't
kitchen.
know. No?
Really?
Common sense, yeah. Well, this is how much?
You are looking me in the kitchen, maybe what I'm doing. I see you are just snipping me there.
Look, the bubble. That's not normal cola bubbles. You can feel it.
Smelly nga guys. Maamoy nga siya. Amoy toyo. Amoy toyo. So, ang hirap mo namang i-prank. Ano, Baba?
What?
Nagrigat ka nga i-prank ko na. Nung ka nga ma-prank?
No. Just...
Apa yang mo nga binabig ko dito yung baso?
chocolate magikya.
Apa yang mo?
What apay? What you are talking?
Apa yang mo nga bingabil ko dito?
You are asking that did I catch you or no?
No, I'm asking how you know that I put something in your
Because
drink?
bubble different, color different, and the what is this amount is too much. How it's gonna be? Too many glue is there.
Naglaing kaya.
No.
Nalaing nak ko. Sige na, nalaing nak namin ko na ba?
Okay, katigit man sila siya.
Yasi, nalaing ni Baba nga aghula. Yasi, yes. Awan, dahi ti kadwak mo. Awan, dahi ti kadwak agprang. Miya mo nakaturugan guys. Si Amor tulog na. Wala, trinang ko na si Baba. Matagal ko na tong iniisip na iprank. Kaso lang di ko matsambahan. Ngayon lang. Come here! Yasi! Come here! Come on. Give me kiss. Come. Okay, give me kiss. Give me kiss, then I'll give you chocolate. Say hi for my vlog.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Say hi first for my vlog.
Chocolate.
Adi, say hi. Say bye-bye first. What you gonna say? Come. Come here. Come here. Come. Come on. Come here. Hey. Come here. Yes, say come here. Say come here. Yes. Say, I got you. I got you. Come. Come on. May katoy na. Katoy na. Anda ti baga kanya. Ikang ka chocolate. May ka na. Oo, dito ka doon kag-vlog. Tingnan mo kayo di simurot yung vlog ko. Ayan guys. So, wala. My prank is successful or not successful. Kayo nang bahalang humusga. Kung successful sa inaakala nyo, comment down below. Kung hindi, mag-comment pa rin kayo dyan. Please comment down below kung tawag dito, anong gusto nyong gagawin kong prank para kay Baba next of our video. So, gagawa tayo ng video prank sa susunod. Tsaka, may isa-shoutout pala ako guys. Wait lang. So guys, meron pala tayong isa-shoutout sa ating video na mga nag-comment at sa mga bagong subscriber natin. Guys, mamimili pala ako ng 10 commenters sa each video natin and isa-shoutout natin kapag may bago tayong mga video. So, eto na yung isa-shoutout ko for today and thank you kasi lagi ko silang nababasa sa comment box. So, ayun, isa-shoutout natin sila guys. Mega love shoutout to Maribel Yadan, family Ritzma in Netherlands, baby boss Mohammed, Roma Buen Suseco, Aussie Reflection, Nelia's Word, Jasmine Faye, Melissa Velasco, Karen Elas, Kalapangit TV and Motovlog. Guys, please sa mga most of them ay YouTubers. Kung hindi nyo pa sila na tawag dito, kung hindi nyo pa sila na subscribe or natitikitan, follow nyo yung kanilang YouTube channel guys, and mega love shoutout to all. Thank you for all the people who is always watching us at sa mga laging nanonood at nagko-comment sa aming mga video. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At sa mga bago naming subscriber at palaging nakasubaybay sa aming mga bagong vlog. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So, until our next video at mag-shoutout ulit tayo. So, just comment guys, and if you want something new na mapapanood sa aming channel, mag-comment lang kayo down below kung gusto nyong i-prank natin ayun guys, si Baba. Kung gusto nyong i-prank natin yan, yung nasa likod ko na busy siyang nanonood sa labas, comment down below guys. So, see you on our next vlog. Baba!
Yep.
Bye! Say, see you in our next vlog.
Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye-bye.